Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to make these leaves. It's good even as a one leaf or as a branch. Let's get started. We need to grab the yarn and the fitted hook. I have a cotton yarn and hook number 3. Short tail goes into your palm. Make 13 chains. To make first one, cross it, grab the working yarn and pull it through. This way I have 2 chains at once. Continue to make chain 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 chains. Now turn it over and now insert the hook into the third chain from the hook. This is the first, second, third. Insert, yarn over, pull it up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We made single crochet. Now we make half double crochet. Yarn over, insert into the next loop, work under 1 loop only, wrap the yarn, pull it up, yarn over, work through all loops at once. This is half double crochet. Next is going to be double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, grab the working yarn, pull it up. We have 3 loops on a hook. Yarn over, work through 2 loops. We have 2 loops on a hook. Again, yarn over, work through 2 loops at once. We made double crochet. See, it's a little bit longer than the other one. From now on, we need to make 3 treble crochet. It means 2 times we need to make yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, grab the working yarn. We have 4 loops on a hook. Yarn over, work through 2 loops, yarn over, work through 2 loops. Make sure you work from all the stitches. And last time, yarn over, work through 2 loops. Now we need to make 2 more treble crochet. 2 yarns over, insert the hook into the next stitch. We have 4 loops on a hook. Yarn over, working through 2 loops. Yarn over, working through 2 loops. And one more time. Yarn over, working through 2 loops. One more treble crochet into the next stitch. Half of our leaf is ready. Now we need to go slowly down. We will make 1 double crochet into the next stitch, ready, half double crochet into the loop, yarn over, work through all loops at once, 1 single crochet, and 2 slip stitches into the next 2 loops. Enter the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, and pull this yarn through all loop at once, and work 1 more slip stitch into the last loop. That's we made our first leaf. You can leave it like that. That's also will be nice for your project. If you want, you can make branch. For this, again, make 13 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and again into the third loop from the hook. 1, 2, 3. Over here you start make single crochet, then half double crochet, then 1 double crochet, three treble crochet, one more treble crochet, and now 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, and 2 slip stitches. 1, 2. And now to join both leaves, you can make 1 more slip stitch into the very first loop of the first leaf. Make the third leaf exactly the same way and come back after. The third leaf is almost ready. I need to make only 2 more slip stitches. This is one, this is another one. And now to join the third leaf to our branch, I can make 1 more slip stitch. Insert the hook into this loop which is on top of the second leaf, and into this loop which is first loop we just made it from the beginning, the first chain of the first leaf. Grab the working yarn and pull through all loops at once. You can make it partially done. Now cut the yarn, pull it over, hide the tails, and our branch is ready. We have green and we have nice and juicy orange. Very nice for the autumn leaves. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs.